Okay, this video is another one from Olsa Tools. They sent me their ratchet wrenches, so let's get into it. Okay, this is them. This is the metric ones. I don't know if you can see, but it goes from 8 and no skips all the way to 19. The odd thing about these is how they reverse. I'm gonna have to set the camera down so I can use two hands to show you, but it's kind of odd. As you can see right there, you push to reverse it. You don't have a switch to reverse it. You don't have to flip them over or nothing like that. They are reversible. But it does take getting used to. I haven't used these yet. You know, with times like they are, I haven't had too much stuff to work on lately, but I will soon, I'm sure. But anyway, I'll show you that in a minute. But here's the other set they sent me, the standard set. And as you can see, it goes from 5/16 up to 3/4. And again, and they come with the wrench rack. But again, it's the push style. Like I said, it is kind of odd. It's kind of hard to get used to that. But, and I guess that's what, 12 point? Where's that? Wow, that camera is awesome. Anyway, Olsa Tools. And remember, if you want to buy anything from Olsa Tools, you use the link in any of my videos to Olsa Tools, and you'll get 10% off your order, no matter what you order. You don't have to order. You don't have to buy these to get the 10% because I'm doing a video on them. You use my code or my link, and you get 10% off whatever you want, whatever you want to buy, which is awesome. I've said it before. I appreciate Olsa Tools for allowing my viewers to have that discount. That's cool. But anyway, let me see if I can get the camera set up a different way and where I can use two hands. Okay, I'm going to try to show you. It's kind of hard. Like I said, it takes getting used to, but I'm going to try to show you on this bolt right here from that's holding my vise down to the table. Have to excuse the old vise. It is extremely old. I got that in the 80s, or either the late 80s or the early 90s. I can't remember, but it is old. Anyway, you see it's on Tighten. They say you push and turn. You see how it just reversed? Now it's on Loosen, which down here there's a nut, so that's probably turning, so it probably ain't gonna loosen without holding it with a wrench down there. But anyway, that wasn't the point. The point is to show you how this reverses. See, it's still on Loosen, and you're supposed to just push and turn, and it goes to Tighten. And it did. That old bolt right there is about wore out. That's the reason it's slipping. But like I said, you have to just mess with them. You know, if you ain't used to them, you ain't used to them. you know, they are some pretty decent looking wrenches. Like I said, I haven't used them yet. I just got them. Wow, why ain't that focusing? There we go. That's the 14. They're reversible, and you see they have an angle on them. They just take getting used to is all. That's all it is. You know, everybody's used to, on the reversible wrenches, just reaching up there and flipping the little lever and it reverses and you carry on. But this is a little finicky. Maybe it's because they're new. I don't know. We'll see. If anything happens, I will let you know, good or bad, once I have a chance to use them. But they're pretty good so far. Pretty impressed. Anyway, like I said, use my link to their website. You get 10% off whatever you order. Have to be honest though, I thought they was 6-point, but they're not, which is all right. I mean, my Blue Point ratchet wrenches in the drawer or in the toolbox is 12.2, and I've had them for 20 years. And I think I've broke the 10 and the ratchet part, that is. I broke the 10 and the 15, but I think it was a 15. Well, actually the 15 didn't break, it just locked up and wouldn't ratchet. So I guess that is broke. But anyway, any of them will break, but they are 20 something years old. Let y'all look at these again. Awesome wrenches. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.